The system operator will upload feeder configuration information into the portal based on the spreadsheet provided by the AUFLS provider. The AUFLS provider will need to go into the portal to confirm that it is correct. The feeder configuration screen gives a view of the current feeder configuration, where AUFLS providers can change the feeder block allocation, update the feeder load configuration, or add a new feeder. To confirm the feeder information, click Confirm Configuration at the bottom of the screen. Then click OK. You need to do this before making any feeder changes. For planned changes, the feeder block allocation should be changed in advance, although the portal will accommodate backdated changes to cater for forced outages. To update a feeder block allocation, click the Allocation button beside the feeder that you want to update. This will take you to the Edit Block Allocation screen. The feeder name is greyed out and can't be updated. Use the Date selector to select the date and time that the block allocation change will take effect from. To select which block the feeder will be allocated to from that date, either enter a value in the relevant field or use the up and down arrow at the end of the field to select a number. A feeder can only be allocated to one block, so one of these fields must be 0. Enter any comments in the Comments field, then click Save. You'll see a pop-up summarising these changes. Click OK to confirm. If you have already uploaded load profile data for the submission period, you'll see a pop-up asking if you need to update your load profile data. If you click Yes, your current load profile data will be deleted. You'll be taken to the Data Submission screen where you can upload new data. If you click No, you'll be taken back to the Data Submission screen. A message will appear to confirm that the feeder block allocation has been edited. You'll also see that your load profiles are being saved. This is because they are mapping to the updated configuration. To update a feeder's configuration, click the Configuration button beside the feeder that you want to update. This will take you to the Edit Configuration screen, where the feeder's details are displayed. You can update the values in any of these fields except for the feeder name. Distributed generation is the estimated generation on the AUFLS feeder in megawatts. Interruptible load is the maximum quantity of interruptible load on the AUFLS feeder in megawatts. These 4 fields are the estimated percentage of demand for this feeder. This is classified as either residential, commercial, agricultural or industrial. The total across these 4 fields must be 100% or less. If there's no load for any of these categories, enter 0. When you're done making changes, enter any comments in the Comments field, then click Save. Your changes will be saved and you'll be taken back to the feeder configuration page. To add a new feeder, click Add New Feeder in the top right of the screen. This will take you to the Create Feeder Configuration screen, where you can fill in the feeder details. The feeder name is the unique AUFLS feeder identifier. This can be up to 20 characters long. Enter the zone substation that the AUFLS feeder is supplied from. Select the GXP from the drop-down list. Now you can populate the AUFLS configuration for this feeder. Note that if the new feeder is backdated and the from date is a trading period for which load profile data has already been uploaded, the existing load data will be deleted and new load profiles will need to be uploaded. You can then populate the load averages, enter any comments, and click Save. Remember, if you have already uploaded profile data for the submission period, this data will be deleted and you'll need to re-upload it. If you need to go back and change something, click Cancel. Otherwise, click OK to confirm the new feeder.